having white smoke coming out of the muffler and actually dripping of some type of liquid out of here. Rough idle and misfiring. So what I did is I came in here, took the spark plugs out, turned the key to the on position on the inside, and looked down in the cylinders. I could actually even hear liquid. And what I found is, see that one's dry? Dry. Wet. Dry. I could actually see the gasoline coming out and spraying out in there. So I have a stuck open fuel injector. All right, so I got the fuel injector out. So I'm wondering, is it the relay system or is it the fuel injector itself? Test the fuel injector itself. So I am going to stick this on the end of my WD-40 can, and I'm actually going to shoot and see. It shouldn't come out the end. Let's see what happens. All right, so now I am going to do a good fuel injector. Does not come out. That is a way to test for a bad fuel injector. So I'll be getting a new fuel injector and putting it all back on. Should be good. The fuel injectors are up underneath here. I'm going to have to take off this intake manifold to be able to access fuel injectors, and I'll be replacing that fuel injector.